Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to design in Looker Studio using our full 2025 guide. If you've ever wanted to create a sleek, polished report but didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. Open Looker Studio in your browser and click on Report. This is where you can start building your data visualizations. Once your report opens, click Edit at the top right to unlock all the editing features. Edit mode is where you can make all the customizations to personalize your report. Next, go to the File menu in the upper left corner. This menu is important as it helps you manage, save, and share your report. Now add some style to your report by selecting Theme and Layout. Here you can choose from different designs to make your report look professional or creative, whichever suits your project. After selecting a theme, click Customize to adjust colors, fonts, and other styling options. This step is where you can match your report's look to your brand or personal style. And that's it. With these steps, you're ready to start designing beautiful reports in Looker Studio. The more you experiment with themes and customization, the better your reports will look. So take some time to explore and get creative.